the country India, for example, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan, Iran. Then in the Middle East, for example, Syria, North Korea, Iran. Every other country has actually constitution. But the question arises, do they follow the spirit of constitution? Constitution तो है उनके पास, but क्या वो spirit of constitution को भी follow करते हैं? Welcome to the day 16 of discussing polity until I become a politician. Now, many countries got their independence between 1940s and 1990s. India in 1947, Bangladesh in 1971, Myanmar in 1938, African countries in 1990s. So this means they all call independence in this particular same period. ठीक है, लेकिन still India is the only country who actually follows the spirit of constitution among all these countries. In India, it is the political structure, the political leaders who had actually kept the spirit of constitution alive. For example, government cannot use any of its power arbitrarily. Actually, people keep check on them. आपकी गवर्नमेंट कभी भी कोई ऐसा रूल पास नहीं कर सकती या कुछ भी अपनी मनमानी नहीं कर सकती. We as a citizen keep check on them ताकि वो कुछ गलत. For example, during the Indira Gandhi regime, when the emergency was proclaimed by her, the matter was discussed in court, and the court has put the limitation on the power of government. And this limitation that was put on the power of government is called constitutionalism. Why do we need to put a limitation on government? Because when state was forming after the Treaty of Westphalia in 1648, before that the situation of people were very brutish, very nasty. They were very poor and they were afraid कि फिर से ये situation नहीं आए. इसीलिए they decided to put a limitation on the power of government ताकि वो अपनी मनमानी